Yes, a blessed morning, people. Blessed morning. I did dan, and the one done this. I mean, I say, yo, me day in my bed, they see me. And I watch YouTube, and I say, yes, Dalton win X Factor. Congratulations, my boy. Congratulations, my Jamaican brother. Congratulations. You see? All that who did a cuss him man and I said him man a bat him man and him man a this and him man a that. See, God push him up there and God give him what him deserve to get. I want to know how you feel now. You see me? How you feel now like how Dalton win X Factor. Miss Kitty, big up your damn self. Yeah man for your comment. Straight. Big up all who defend Dalton right till the finish. You see me I say. Big up your damn self, Dalton. God go with you, my boy. Trust me. They're gonna reach far in our life. You see it? Anytime you try as a ghetto youth we go through in our life, people always try to stop you. And rising star people they must feel proud of you because you're one rising star winner to Dalton. So congratulations from me and everybody else in Jamaica who mean you good and did a cheer and a vote for you. Big up your damn self, Dalton. Yeah, a year time to shine. When a year time, they can't stop you. God go with you. So me I say straight.
Getting money like I'm supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. Oh, all my niggas close to me. And all the mother niggas where they supposed to pay. Oh.